Hi guys, welcome to another special sounds video. Please join me as we say all of our special sounds together. Ready? Begin. W in whale, W-H. H in who, W-H. Ch in patch, T-C-H. Ear in ear, E-A-R. Air in bear, E-A-R. In earth, E-A-R. Old in gold, O-L-D. In lamb, M-B. Oo in flu and oo in few, E-W. E in rainy, Y. In bigger, E-R. Est in biggest, E-S-T. And the one we're learning today is Lee in slowly, L-Y. So we'll just say that word slowly, okay? The L-Y is another suffix. That means it comes after or behind a root word. So you're always going to start off with a root word like this word, slow. And if you add the suffix ly, it makes it a new word. Slowly, slowly. So what we're going to do today is we'll say it a couple more times and then we will write down some words that have this ly ending. Ready? Lee in slowly, L-Y. Good. Now let's go ahead and take out that paper and pencil and let's write down some words that have this special sound. There's my doggie. She wanted to join us too. Okay, here we go. Go ahead and write down this word, pause the video if you need to, and underline the root word and circle the special sound. All right, nice job. Okay, let's check your work and see how you did. My doggie Ellie is cheering you on. She's saying, go kindergarten. Okay. Here we go. We've got, this is the root word, and if you circled the ly, you were correct. So let's sound it out. Soft, 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 soft. Like my blankets are soft, but let's add the ly. Softly, softly, softly. I walked softly through the house at night so I wouldn't wake anyone up. Softly. Now you go ahead and use the word softly in a sentence. Good. Now let's go ahead and do another one. Okay, here we go. Write this one down. If you need to pause the video, do that and then come back and we will check our work. All right. Did you underline the root word and did you circle the special sound? Okay, let's check your work and see how you did. Here we go. Is this what you did? Nice. Now let's check our work. Remember, Q and U, they're always together because they got married. So when we say Q and U together, it's going to sound like this. Qua, qua. So, qua, I, qua, I, qui, and then there's that CK. So quick, quick, quick. So that's our root word, quick. But let's add the suffix ly. Quickly, quickly. I like to complete my work quickly, but also carefully. Did you hear? There's an ly at the end of carefully too. Now you go ahead and share your sentence with me. Good. All right, let's do another one. Get your pencil ready. Okay. Here we go. Write this word down and underline the root word and circle the special sound. Okay, let's check your work and see how you did. Is this what you circled and underlined? Nice. Now let's sound it out. Remember, we've got the FR sound, which is fur, and then when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, and it says its name, so it's a long E. So fur-e, free, free. So that's our root word. Now let's add ly. Freely, freely, freely. God gives his love to us freely. Freely. Now you use the word freely in a sentence. Nice. I love it. Now let's do one more. Okay, let's write this one down. If you need to, pause the video so you can complete this. Underline the root word and circle the special sound, which is called a suffix. All right, did you do it? Let's check your work. Make sure you finish before you get the answers, okay? Okay, here we go. Here it is. Did you underline and circle those things? Good. Now let's sound it out together. We got k-aw, cost, 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 cost. Now let's add the ly. Costly, costly, costly. My car that I bought was very costly. That means it cost a lot of money. Now you use the word costly in a sentence. Good. Nice work today. Well, just to review, we learned all about ly, the suffix that says ly in slowly, ly. And we'll see you in our next video for a new special sound. And until then, bye-bye, guys.